Welcome to Wander, Explore, Discover.
Today we're going to wander along the Paperbark Trail.
The Paperbark Forest Trail is a lovely 400-metre track that takes about 15 minutes to complete through hundreds of paperbark trees.
It is located at the Reedy Creek Reserve, 3 kilometres outside Agnes Water in Queensland.
The Paperbark Trail is designed with stepping stones and boardwalk areas so you can wander through the thick, lush undergrowth until you are surrounded by hundreds of paperbark trees.
The walk is suitable for most ages and fitness levels, but you need to balance on the stepping stones and a couple of sections of rough surfaces. The walk is open all year round. However, it may be closed or inaccessible after heavy rains or during periods of high fire danger.
If you want more places to wander, explore and discover, subscribe to our channel for new videos every week. The Reedy Creek Reserve protects an intact patch of endangered Queensland coastal and riparian forest, including an extensive paperbark and fan palm swamp. The dominant tree in the Reedy Creek Reserve is the paperbark tea tree. They grow along the east coast from Cape York in Queensland to Botany Bay in New South Wales and prefer to grow in silty or swampy soil.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. You can find more information and places to wander at wanderexplorediscover.com.